Yeah, hello guys, this is Bugre Tongo Roja here and welcome to this video. If you are new on this channel, I would recommend you subscribe to my channel to support me grow on YouTube. And if you have any other video ideas, you can let me know. But today I'm going to be looking at the new WhatsApp feature that is about WhatsApp audio status, alright? WhatsApp audio status. Yep. So this is the app Audio Status Maker. Alright, just download this app from the Google Play Store. In no time, WhatsApp itself will actually accept it on their app. But for now, just download it at the Google Play Store, so you will be able to actually use this app. Alright, able to use this app. So you download it from the Google Play. It will, you know, download from the Google Play Store, Audio Status Maker. After you download the audio, you just hit on record. Then you say something. Hello, yeah, Bugre Tongo Roja here, and this is Audio Status Maker. If you want to, make audio status for your WhatsApp or whatever it is, just use this, and I'm sure you'll be able to go. This is a new WhatsApp feature, right? Audio Status Maker. Okay.